Remake the Achu Kamadaya Bauping Tangkul Long Nauping Churches Tangkul Region Kokasada Nishale Kangasung Pekar Bubung Palak Ena Kwikalu Haira Kamasom Wak Bobilwe Hectors Hang Turuk Shika Sashman Mihaira Citizenship Amendment Act Lok Sabha Bulls Mararang Laka Washokaura the Union Home Minister na Jishat Mihaira Internally displaced now pingwe katam kashikala mashun kate moshoi mi khawai Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights na State Shogarle Advisory Mihaira Minor Manipur Makanda Johog Shogle ngashar khawai la hanghaira Lake Yangator, Achu the Tangkul Express we power Impawan Timik in a Bami delay, Bauping Mesaina Nanang Rumsa. Nishali Ngusumkui Pulungra the Popi Shmit Mikawai, Pekar Kukui Tangkul Longping, Churches Kala Tangkul Region, WTR, Zangda Sakjangda Sahira, Nishana Yarili Sagazakala Rakara Totli, Satsaki Kuchi Tevada, WTR Longna. Churches with volunteers being the Kamasom Aina Senakateli Lungsanglak Kahai campaign Kava Mupung Palak Aina Kupsanghaira Hangda Clay campaign Chi Achahon Maroon Tarik Pangatang Hapogda Volunteers Hang Chikoda Kutumna Shurukuya Chili Youth Pastors Youth Chairman Aka UPC members UTPC Church Youths Tangkul Frontal Organizations with Miping Zangda Atumi Shongja UPC Church Ukruli Reverend Remember Reminder Sehasamida Zatpoka Volunteers Pingchi Team Kani Kaida Akana Kamasom Akana Sinagateli Vaya Campaign Chile Veterinary and Animal Husbandry and Transport Minister Kashim Vashumnala Mathalak Aina Kotomida Mission Jiwang Financial Kangajon Mia Mission Hi Kapainao Maning Manakachi WTR CAO Nauyung Sayaina Hangda Otmuru Chili Lumtur Aina Ngorokwira Kachi Mapaningla Tangkul Katana Pingaina Church Pingwe Kakatom Zanga Kachi Theda Saki Kachi Otmurut Ngajangkhilo da Kasatsanga Kamasom Teamli Ishipami Nangasova da Zimiksho Karetang Opium Bobilui Hectors Mati Sashiman Kami Vatequia Bobiluiji Kamasom Kuwaina kilometers Kanishikawi Alungli Lesaya Kakane Tangla Sakjangda Otvasalaga Hectors Tarashika Sashiman Mia Chitada Apom Katailila Team Katayakana Bobilui Hectors Makushika Sashiman Mia Kamasom Aina Sihai Mataklila Bobilui Hectors Tumragada Sashiman Mihaira UBC Church with Youth Assistant Pastor Nimlek Kamrangna Bobi Lui Magapa Sakazamaram Hangda Drug Addiction Wiana Miring Shiman Kahaila Itumi Youths Kala Rakara Totli Sazaki Kachiwi Ninka Karik Pongshoka Kamasome Kurungahong Bobi Lui Wiana Tiausangda Kaleji Jiwi Maramli Lahangda Resources Kavankwi Kavai Ayena Makamia Otsak Kamkukui Darga Saya Kachila Kasatsanga Tangkul Shinao Longwi Mi Sopem MK Nakahang campaign Chiwivang Mi Shaka Shika the volunteer sai Kaji Ukru Town Kala Ring and I with me Machine Yang Laga Mashapmana Otmurut hi Rakara Tod Wivangla Sakla Kahai Maram Wivang Sada volunteers Jungwei Shokrana the MK Nahanga Itumui Society Li Nishana Sazada Kale Ngohorcher Kathena the UTPC youth member Aviskona Ituming Lay Hili Bobi Sashimit Pulungra Kachihi Hangsanga Nishali Kangasung Mission Ji Ajahon Tarik Jishatang Kupsanga Team Karejina Shim Hanung Haira Ka Mission Ji Machot Kawai Team Kate campaign Wivang volunteers Shakani Shika Juho Kawai Ngarandu Shithaira Citizenship Amendment Act CAA Lok Sabha Bulls Mararang Laka Washokaura Chihaira He Union Home Minister Amit Shah na Jishat Mida CAA He Citizenship Mikhawai Act na Kipaka with Citizenship Kutu Mikhawai Act Maning Manada Hangsanga CAA He we Manga Aina Persecuted non-Muslim migrants pingli Indian citizenship mika kachina da hangsanga itumna phaning ongpai CAA hi Parliament le 2019 kum khayon kachang pass saka haina CAA hi pools mararang lakha notified sahara kala polls khara tharan implement sahara da shahana ET now global business kachip national capital le hanga Narendra Modi na Khwira kahai CAA wiazingli Indian nationality hi persecuted non-Muslim migrants kacha Bangladesh, Pakistan kala Afghanistan le reka kharet kachipod wiaina India le yamkaka Hindus, Sikhs, Jains, Buddhists, Parsis kala Christians now bingle citizenship miki kachina. Hili migrants kachi hi December 31st 2014 aina tangda India le rajanghai rak sami pingli ka hangna rakhara Lok Sabha bowls le wilagra kachila shahana phongshok da 2024 bowls hiwa NDA aina India opposition bloc khangatak maningla rekasang aina masili tuiwao ngawao khanganawe alungli khangatak ngasara da shahana hangsanga Katam kashuwe aming aina state with national pingle apam kateli khwiwalaga kachipat la chakshida kasa shok kahai report sam kaphang aina chakching khawai sada Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights na notification shokhaira Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR na notification ko shokle ava agencies currents pingna atumi naungara na kalitam likhala kachi institution we aming misang lo chi haira aming chi MCPCR le achewi tarik thada mati we alungle misang lo chi dalai itumna theipai khalem aina katam kash samphang sagra kachi ngashit aina Nashik Maharashtra le khwiwa hai kasa Manipur we national phangale acha honthang cham kan khwi ka haina national being chile free education mirror the Sri Swami Narayan English medium school ko ho Nashik li khlai worship le hai kasana kha atumle sashilak aina kasa pau ka shaina Department of Social Welfare na Nashik District Child Protection Unit DCPU le hanglaga now bingchili wakhui ka shokna Operation Chi Child Welfare Committee le ngashik laga kasana now akhaba phasale airgun na sagze margla kasaya chidale DCPU na Sri Swami Narayan English Medium School investigate sapokhaira athumna phagashok chi CWC le mikara now pingji tarik tishathang Nashik with Child Welfare Committee na Manipur Social Welfare Department le mikada shim thanung mi haira Chairperson MCPCR Kaisham Bratikumar na notification mikushok chili kahang ava curtains mangasola Manipur makanda minors juho kashok tharan legal complication malay khawai concerned child welfare committee with verification changphulungi kichina chihaira Manipur Road Kamrad na Saturday Clay National Ping with Mushun Samphangkawai Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR na State Chorkali Advisory Mihairong Shimwena Yamting Orok the State Wiapam Gatete Dali Ngayin Pam the Clay Internally Displaced National Ping with Basic Rights Kashagaza Kalakatam Kush Sampangran Mushun Mushoi Mikawai MCPCR na Chorkali Hanghaira Jingum Turuk Aina Trada Chishadwi Alungli Kalaping Worshima Jiho Kawai Education Department Kala ZEO Sping na Yangsang Milo Chihaira MCPCR na School Authorities Mingila Advisory Mida Tuition Fees Mami Career Wivang Aina Nationally Expel Masakawai La Hanghaira La Road Kamaradli Parents Guardians Mawansa Kahai Wivang National Worship Muyaina Kwikashok Malayara no Kjila Hanga Road Kamarad Wivang Aina Worship Magajiho Masapai Plumtula Admission Kala Fees Shanka Haji School Authorities na Hanmirano the Commission Jina Hanga Academic session Kathar Hapo Kiji Haukida State Education Department internally displaced National Psycho Relief Worship Mingchan Sang Saplungra Kala Atom uniforms, textbooks, stationery outkan khana atishuda ngaran mirano the commission jina hangsanga private school authorities na reservation 25% RTE norms atishu plungra kala khanga John Darga kasa atishuda displaced students pingli sponsorship aina concessional fee facilities milo the commission jina hanga Kankhana Atishuda displaced Katamnao Pingli Remedial Education Program Rungkhami Phara Kala Relief Center Kuchida Learning Center Haimika Phara the MCPCR na hanga National Pingchina Samphangran Mushun Khalai Kushagaza Ari Arai Higatatha hi Mushoimi Khawaila Kala recreational activities sports arts culture Higatatha Wivangla Ngaran Mikhawai stage Shorkale Hanghaira Manipuri Governor Anusia Wiki New Delhi Kakale President Draupadi Murmu li samphang haira Governor na wasam ka phangchili Manipur University wi convocation ceremony li President la ungjang mi khawai khang ho cha haira Governor na President ni Manipur wi kushok kajang hangchi the haira Governor Anusia Wiki na 2023 Murung kachang Manipur le office ungka khuya tam wi aina hopok laga ana ara Sara Gahai od ngurut ngatei du maram jithei khami coffee table book la President Murmu li khwiwamia China we mabli Arunachal Pradesh kazang wiwang Islamic Association for Peace AIP na protest sa hairo AIP we members ping na makhamya phongshok da Sol Lake 24 North Barganas West Bengal Lake Chinese consulate mangale protest sa jitheya China na Uyghur Muslims pingli chakshida kasa wiwangla organization china makhamya phongshaka itumna theipai Arunachal Pradesh aina China we layret 1129 km kaya Arunachal Pradesh rida Northeast Frontier Agency NEFA region da Lake Sawi aina February 20 1987 thang full-fledged state ngasai China na Arunachal Pradesh ashiwi lehali janga da South Tibet Zangnan dalahoya ngalei jiwi ngashan kala historical tibetli khangasun leida thariji China na claim sarashum ka haina mapli ka chithemang maningla Arunachal Pradesh wi apam kaikha ngachei khamila leya China na Arunachal Pradesh wi apam thrada akhawi aming kathar phok khamila shokda masangranga India Myanmar borderly free movement regime FMR Khwigshogli Nagaland Sarkar na makhamya ngawalui haira Nagaland Chief Minister Neferio na border pamle guidelines mathada mukshu wiwang northeastly insurgency khamar leya kuchi mayaya kala Indian government with security concerns khalai jili phaptai riona kahang thari pamwi kasak khalai wiwang state na regulations khwirara chi haira kha FMR Tangkhami hi yarina makhamya thaida state sarkar na mamyamna cross border khung khawa sagpai chakhame regulation sem khawai Nagaland sarkar na central government li pora chidalai Kalachi assembly concerned village authorities council authorities lira changsa khawai state na center le hanghaira chihaira
Hospitality Kala Aviation Luyam Li Otsakwai Worship R&T Institute of Aviation and Hospitality we branch New Delhi Lila Shohaira Institute China Air Hostess Ground Staff Kala Hospitality we Training Kachang Mati we Mia Pau Mi Gradi Shoda Institute Chiwi Ainatum Gakui candidates Shagatum Lang the reputed airlines Kala corporate sectors the placement Samang Haira Shock the Clay situation the Saklak Ainakui the Institute Chiwi New Delhi branch China Pakamai Job opportunities Kala exposure Matakamai Mikavai Sara the Hang R&T Institute of Aviation and Hospitality na free one-way flight to New Delhi, free 30 days accommodation and fooding, full job placement assistance Mira Chidale. New Delhi branch with direct admission Hapokaira, online admission Sapaya. 11 batch with Wang Ningasang Binga Imphal Lila, New Delhi branch Lila Zangbaira. Phone number 700-5970-470 Maningaka, 8800-98179 Freeling Hanpaira. Institution Chiwi head office Singjame Yumnam Lekai Imfalila Wangating Kwipaira.
Indian States ngachai khare sada Uttarakhand uniform civil code chatna hairo Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhamina ajonthang uniform civil code UCC bill ji introduce salaga yauthang state assembly na pass sa ka haina Uttarakhand uniform civil code leda ara state jiwi ya recycle ruwi ngarai kacha ayen khangakum Kapang Shimli property khayar hikatatha saikorewe common law lake haina UCC ayen hi Uttarakhand le chatna lala scheduled tribes pingwi tungli mapermana constitution we scheduled tribe azingli kachangping kala customary rights sami ka hai pingwi tungli uniform civil code hi mapermara da Uttarakhand we ayen sem ka hai chili jangmia Itumna theipai Jammu and Kashmir le Article 370 abrogate kasa Ayodhya le Ram Temple kasem hikatatha Karin le ngaso the Uniform Civil Code hi BJP wi khamtaya agenda li janga UCC hi national level li la khura khawa Union Sarkar na ngaran de leijia matailak aina BJP na khamung state Gujarat kala Assam kathali UCC law we process hapokhaira saikoro wi wang ayen akha leika hai hina ngala khangashir bigami Kacha ayen we azingli akhali ngkum laga kateili wa khangakum kala boli ka me kacha atam akhali mi akhana akhali langda khangakum higata tha hi mamayamana UCC pass ka sa hi ainang soda udar khan ne kapam naw bingwe live in relationship checking lak aina yangra chi haira live in relationship ka chi hi ayen we azingli shak cha ka khui maningla yaron ngala leshing rok da shim akli pam khangaromle kahangna udra khan we ayen kathar sem ka hai attitude live in relationship li ka pumping state chokale mingjan saplungra athumna ngso pam dalai la maninga kha kai haira mangso pam le mana kachila state we register le hangplungra chidle ngso ga pumping chi ayen we mikyan le chingum thada chi shatka da kharanaw ngasa salala chingum mukada akha malanga kha ngso ga pam chi awu awale hanglaga pam sagra chi haira India we mi machine thaklak aina matai sangda khlei maram yang sangkhawai Center Sarkarna High Power Committee semra kchili Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh na maya khangai ninggishi phongshok haira Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na interim budget chithei khamile chishat ka hai attitude yari mi machine chungsangda khlei we aina khangasung samka phangmaram yang sangkhawai High Power Committee leira Sender we tutak chi Manipur we khangacha makhaning population growth maram yang sangkhawai kupole ngusunda biren hanga Manipur le National Register of Citizen NRC chapna khawai kupol leidale kala illegal migrants pingwe biographic kala biometric data khui khawai achakum khaying gchang we aina MHA na Manipur kala Mizoram shokarle kuso ka haina ara ithumna kachishat nanangramsa Social media le somatai lunghar ko ho mayarnaw akhana ringamla jimi ko ho akhawi maram le makhamusung pau kasangwi wang thar khami shoktalai tuisho je tarik shini thang shokna ya really hangaphat mi shokta somatai lunghar na thar khami hidada miya
Date 7 February 2024 tang samayai lunghar ina observer ringamla jimi kwi maramli social media di chia Ya iwa observer na liva agatoda ho haida kalam yar naw neida tangwi naw shnaw pingdi ngaso ping sakhaw kazing thang jiba shnaw neida thainaw mayai jo ta ngayaw mi ka hai chi makhamashung pauna chi hi imashana tharkamina
Kareli Yarina IFAD da Thegasa Ukhrul District Community Resource Management Society UDC RMS na exhibition aina ngaso da buyers seller meet rumiki da leidle UDC RMS we exhibition com sales and buyer sellers meet hi ajikachang tarik magada akha aina magada khani thang khashimla women market complex li rumira hangdak le complex chi naga gate ngalem humbungli leya Ngaran ngaye jili ukrul aina Kamjong district li khale entrepreneurs firm societies kala private enterprises ping sharok khui khawai nghodalai rani ji ichachawi audio chi thei la yor khui khawai apam chika khaming sara jili registration fee mangawa mara kha ichachawi on course aina participate sara exhibition chili stall thumra hangmati shikhamang ngaran mira kala ji ra kharare li mira ningasang entrepreneurs firms na contact number 8974282621 hile ngahanwa mi paira latluida achui khamata ya pauping Tangkhul Longnauping Churches Tangkhul Region Khokasada Nishale Khangasung Phekar Bubung Phalak aina khuika lui haira Khamasom wak Pobilwi hectares hangturuk shika sashman mi haira Citizenship Amendment Act Lok Sabha Bills Mararang Lakha Washo Khawra da Union Home Minister na Chishat Mihaira Internally displaced now pingwe katam kashikala mushun kate moshoi mi khawai Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights na State Sarkarle Advisory Mihaira Minor Manipur Makanda Johog Shogle Ngashar khawai la hanghaira Aju pau henang chang hairo pau ngana da khlei natum psycho relate ring pha kala kham haya jimsho ngsa serano